Hello YouTubers! Today Nancy's gonna show us how to make
lemongrass pork chops.
That's right, barbecued lemongrass pork chops. So let's get started. So the first thing we do is start cutting the lemongrass. It's better when the lemongrass is frozen because it cuts much easier. Then we dice the lemongrass to even smaller pieces. Next, we start chopping our
Green onion.
These scallions or green onions bring out the flavors. Next is
Cilantro.
Let's wash up our cilantro and start chopping them.
We have 6 pork chops.
Now let's take a look at the rest of our seasoning.
3 tablespoons of lemongrass. 1/4 cup of cilantro. 2 tablespoons of onion. 4 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of dark soil. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Dark soy sauce.
Now let's put all of them into our pork chop.
Or just mix it up.
Now, time to mix it up really well. Rub all those spices into the meat.
Make sure you get all the seasoning, onion, the garlic, the cilantro, the lemongrass, all go in there.
Let all those flavors seep inside the meat. Now let's prep up the barbecue. First, let's clean up the grill really well.
We're gonna grease the barbecue so the shrimp doesn't stick. To 500. And then turn it low. And then put the pork chop on. Like turn it, mix it up a little bit, then put it on.
Don't you love that sound when the pork chops hit the grill? That's the best sound in the world when you barbecue. Don't waste any of those seasoning. Put them all on the pork chops. Don't you love summertime barbecue? Now it's time to flip the pork chops. After about 10 or 15 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your pork chops, 20 minutes to half an hour should be good. Looks good. All done.
Once it's cooked, you take it out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed cooking with Nancy. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.